In this video, you'll learn how to apply Subscript and Superscript in Google Docs, using both the menu options and the keyboard shortcuts. Subscript places text slightly below the baseline, so start by selecting the text you want to modify. Go to Format, hover over Text, and click Subscript. The text moves into the lower position. To do this with a shortcut, press Ctrl plus comma on Windows and Command plus comma on Mac. If nothing happens, repeat the same action once more. Superscript places text slightly above the baseline, so start by selecting the text you want to modify. Go to Format, hover over Text, and click Superscript. The text shifts upward immediately. To do this with a shortcut, press Ctrl plus dot on Windows and Command plus dot on Mac. If nothing changes, repeat the same action once more. Both Subscript and Superscript work as toggle commands. Repeat the same step or shortcut to turn them off. That's it. You've applied Subscript and Superscript in your document. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.